फैक्ट्स से दैट द पीपल यूज टू लर्न। जो भी आर्कियोलॉजिकल फैक्ट्स हैं, रिसर्च हैं, आज तक हुए हैं, हमारे मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट, हमारे इंस्क्रिप्ट, हमारे हिस्टोरिकल चीज़ें जो हमारे बुक्स में मेंशन है, हम उन चीज़ों की से हम अपनी हिस्टोरिकल चीज़ों को जानने की कोशिश करें। तो नाउ वी विल गेट टू लर्न अबाउट द व्हाट बुक्स एंड ब्यूरियल्स टेल्स अस, मीन्स हमारे बुक्स एंड हमारे आर्कियोलॉजिकल फैक्ट्स जो हमें हिस्ट्री के बारे में क्या बताता है। दैट इज द टॉपिक द वैदिक एज। So we will get to learn about the Vedic age. If I'll teach this Vedic age topic in my class, I'll get to introduce the students about the Vedic age. उसके पहले के भी मैं उनको टाइमलाइन में ट्रैवल कराऊंगी, मैं उनको 2000 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो पहले लेकर जाना चाहूँगी, जब हम ह्यूमंस एक हंटर एंड गैदरर्स हुआ करते थे। क्योंकि हम वहाँ से वो टाइमलाइन ट्रैवल करेंगे तो हम जानेंगे कि हम ह्यूमंस कैसे कैसे धीरे धीरे डेवलप हुए, तो हम इस एरा में आकर पहुँचे जहाँ पे we humans started establishing ourselves. So with this Vedic period, if we will go with the timeline, the student will see this timeline. That timeline will get learned by the students very easily. क्योंकि dates easily these are been mentioned there. क्या dates के incidents हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छे तरीके से mentioned है। तो they will get to know about the around 2 million years ago what they were. So they were actually as a hunter and gatherers. जहाँ पे they were hunting, they were gathering. There were no settled life as a human. So after that they had traveled to farmers and herders around after 6000 BCE. Then they came into the Vedic era, that is 1500 BCE, जहाँ से हमारा Vedic age शुरू होता है। और that Vedic age been categorized in between two parts, the early Vedic age and the later Vedic age. तो from 1500 BCE to 500 BCE हम अपने वैदिक एज में ट्रैवल करते हैं, जो कि हमारा पहला एक अर्ली वैदिक एज है। देन सेकेंड इज द लेटर वैदिक एज। तो दैट द स्टूडेंट विल गेट टू लर्न ऑल दो स्टफ फ्रॉम द टाइमलाइन। और जब ये पुराने टाइमलाइन में ट्रैवल करते हैं तो चैप्टर 1 से उनका रिविजन भी हो जाता है। दैट इज बिकॉज क्लास 6 फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज अबाउट द हंटर एंड गैदरर्स। तो व्हेन दे आर लर्निंग अबाउट द 6th chapter, but with this timeline they have traveled to first chapter also and around that 2000 BC, that era also. So this is the whole circle. They used to revise their chapters with all those chapters because all those chapters are interlinked, they are interconnected. So this is the thing which I used to mention as in my class with this slide. अब ये topic, when the topic will get end, we will get to know about the questions which have been given, because पढ़ाने के बाद that is the most important thing कि we used to check the understanding of the student. हमने पढ़ा तो दिया, अब we have to know कि students को वो समझ कितना आ रहा है। तो for their understanding, that is the most important and the most beautiful thing has been given in the CRL with this method, lead curriculum, that with every CRL they have given the check for understanding corner, where the student they used to know कि हाँ अब मैं directly I used to ask this question to the students, जहाँ पे मैं उनसे question करती हूँ। I used to give them 30 seconds, मैं 30 seconds तो नहीं देती, to be honest मैं 15 seconds ही देती हूँ, so that because I am having my limited time period in the subject, in my period also, मैं 30 minutes because I used to see every student in my class. So that question I used to ask to them, and after that question पूछने के बाद I used to give them the answers quickly also there. Most of the students they used to give me answers also because they are very good in history. In my class, especially in 6th and 8th, they are very good in history. They used to learn history very easily. So they used to give me the answers also. This is the most beautiful thing is been given in the every CR of this lead curriculum. Apart from this, we will get to know our video sections. Means for the every topic, CRL is also given and kind of videos are also given. As we can see, there are many advanced technique, there are many advanced method are being came into the market where we used to see the videos, जिससे हमारा easily होता है।
In the previous unit, we saw that we can learn about history from two main sources. Do you remember what these were? Yes, literary sources and archaeological sources. Today, we will talk about one of the oldest literary sources available to us, the Vedas. We know that the Vedas are a set of ancient manuscripts that included 4 main texts: the Rig Veda, the Samaveda, Yajurved, and Atharvaved. They are an important source of information of the Vedic period. The oldest of these is the Rig Veda. Historians believe that the Rig Veda was composed about 3,500 years ago, in 1500 BCE. The Rig Veda.
That is the thing, sir. Through this slide, we used to explain every topic to the students. This is the very easiest method because students get to learn everything.